In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a private Telegram channel without a link in a really simple and quick way. So don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. Here, I'm going to show you on my phone, so on the Telegram mobile app, but it's the same if you're using the desktop version of Telegram. So I'm going to open the Telegram app on my phone. There are two types of groups and channels on Telegram. There are both public groups and public channels. There are also private groups and private channels. So to find public groups and channels, you just need to go to your chats, use the search bar at the top, click on channels at the top, and then you'll be able to see all the public Telegram channels. If you want to join them, just click join at the bottom and you'll be in the channel. Now, there are also private channels and groups on Telegram that you won't be able to find in the search bar. You'll need either an invitation link, like for example here with my private group, where as you can see there's the invitation link, or you can receive it from a friend, and then with this invitation link you can search for it in your web browser's address bar. And then you can open Telegram and join the group. If you don't have this invitation link, there's still another way to join private Telegram groups and channels. You just need to replace something in your search bar. You see, like here, you keep the t.me/ and then you have to enter the name of the private Telegram group. For example, if I type Football de Sunday, that's the name of a group on Telegram, and then I click on go. You can see that it finds the group, and then when you click on open, it will redirect you to Telegram and you'll be able to join it.